Ring twisting machine, which is manufactured by Avrupa Machinery, is suitable for S&Z twisting of nearly all kinds of textile yarns and technical yarns, such as cotton, polypropylene, viscose, acrylic, polyamide, polyester, filament, spun, salvage, stable, nylon, elite, fiberglass, rayon, silk, metallic, fancy yarns or mixed yarns. Yarn displacement system is designed to avoid the wearing of the muffs. To prevent wearing of the muffs, the yarns that will be twisted moves transverse. In this way the yarns move with the same tension. For technical information, please visit our website.